walking out back. We got like 4 woodpeckers sleeping, taking their naps in the trees, but there was a ground bird that wasn't moving off the ground, and I just want to make sure he's not froze. Okay, he's gone now, so he's good. Okay, I was concerned about him. See my woodpeckers on the tree. Also flew off, but there's one right there. Let's see how close I can get. I gotta put my peanut butter buns out here anyway. Oh, there's another one on the tree. Okay. I'm not gonna use my zoom because I'm holding peanut butter buns with my left hand. Hey, little critters. Aren't they cute? I'm about 20 feet away. They'll fly off any second now. About 15 feet away. There's more woodpeckers up the tree next to me. Off to my left. The blue jay's been working on that piece of honey bread. That one that flew off, it didn't leave. It's still next to me. Right there. Okay. And our cousin Jack Freeman is here, plowing our driveway. So I gotta hurry up and get back in the house because Rosie's in there. Okay. That's what I put down here last night right before dark. And as you can see how much snow cover we got. Come on. Gotta open it up. There. Okay, I'll leave so they can eat. And so David could come out and move the vehicles so Jackie can plow. Okay, I'm going back in. Huh? Yeah, it was gone, but I put that peanut butter bread out and cleared off that chair because I had some stuff on there last night. So I'm just glad he wasn't frozen. There's Jackie. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There he goes. Okay. I'm gonna get inside with Rosiekins.